Bow window installation in Knoxville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With custom bow windows Knoxville, you can achieve a unique look that complements your home's architecture while enjoying the benefits of energy-efficient bow windows Knoxville. Our expert bow window contractor Knoxville ensures a seamless installation process, providing you with peace of mind and a reliable bow window installation warranty Knoxville. Choosing bow windows Knoxville adds timeless charm and value to any property. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our double-pane windows Knoxville offer superior insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. By choosing energy-efficient bow windows Knoxville, you can enjoy significant bow window energy savings Knoxville, making your home more environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Installing bow windows Knoxville enhances both efficiency and natural light. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window contractor services Knoxville include comprehensive frame replacement, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. Whether you need vinyl window options or custom designs, we provide tailored solutions for your home. Integrating bow windows Knoxville into your frame replacement project enhances beauty and space. Custom window designs allow you to personalize your home's appearance while enhancing its value. Our window design consultation Knoxville services help you select the perfect style and materials for your windows. From bow window style consultation Knoxville to hardware replacement, we offer a wide range of options to suit your preferences. With bow windows Knoxville, your home gains elegance, dimension, and curb appeal. Double-pane windows Knoxville are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These windows provide superior insulation, reducing heat transfer and lowering energy bills. Our double-pane bow windows Knoxville are designed to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. By combining advanced insulation with bow windows Knoxville, you achieve both luxury and efficiency. Window glass installation is essential for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Our bow window glass installation Knoxville services address issues such as cracks, chips, and fogging, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. We also offer window glass replacement for more extensive damage. Opt for bow windows Knoxville to enjoy panoramic views and enhanced natural light. Home window upgrades can significantly enhance your property's value and curb appeal. Our home bow window upgrades Knoxville include a variety of options, from seal replacement to insulation services. By investing in these upgrades, you can enjoy improved comfort and energy efficiency. Upgrading to bow windows Knoxville creates a spacious, light-filled atmosphere that redefines your home's style. Window seal replacement is vital for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Our bow window seal replacement Knoxville services ensure your windows are properly sealed, reducing air leakage and improving indoor comfort. We also offer window caulking to enhance performance and durability. Adding bow windows Knoxville ensures airtight protection with stunning aesthetics. Vinyl window options are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our vinyl bow windows Knoxville provide excellent insulation and are available in various styles and colors. Whether you're looking for a modern or traditional look, our vinyl windows offer versatility and beauty. Installing bow windows Knoxville made from vinyl enhances both design and functionality. Window insulation services are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our bow window insulation Knoxville services help reduce heat loss and improve energy efficiency. By investing in proper insulation, you can enjoy a more comfortable home and lower energy bills. Combining window insulation with bow windows Knoxville maximizes savings and indoor comfort. Window style consultation is an important step in selecting the right windows for your home. Our bow window style consultation Knoxville services help you choose the perfect design and materials to complement your home's architecture. From traditional to contemporary designs, we offer a wide range of styles. Bow windows Knoxville are a top choice for homeowners seeking elegance and space. For residents seeking bow window installation in Knoxville, our expert window contractor services offer top-notch solutions. We specialize in custom bow windows Knoxville, ensuring each installation meets your unique design and efficiency goals. Our bow window installation warranty Knoxville guarantees peace of mind and lasting satisfaction. Experience the superior craftsmanship of our bow windows Knoxville. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient bow windows Knoxville, designed to reduce energy costs and enhance comfort. Our double-pane bow windows Knoxville provide superior insulation, while our vinyl bow windows Knoxville offer durability and low maintenance. Experience significant bow window energy savings Knoxville with our advanced insulation services. Choose bow windows Knoxville to elevate your home's elegance and efficiency. Our comprehensive window maintenance services in Knoxville include bow window weatherproofing Knoxville and bow window caulking Knoxville. These services ensure your windows remain in excellent condition, preventing drafts and leaks. Trust our bow window leak installation Knoxville to address any issues promptly, maintaining the integrity of your home. Routine care keeps bow windows Knoxville performing like new. For those interested in window style consultation, our bow window style consultation Knoxville offers personalized guidance. We help you choose the perfect design, from frame replacement to custom window solutions. Our bow window design consultation Knoxville ensures your windows complement your home's architecture and style. With bow windows Knoxville, you can achieve a timeless and cohesive aesthetic. If your windows require attention, our window glass installation and window glass replacement services in Knoxville are here to help. We specialize in bow window glass installation Knoxville and bow window glass replacement Knoxville, restoring clarity and function. Our window hardware replacement and window sash replacement services ensure smooth operation. Maintain brilliance and performance with bow windows Knoxville. Enhance your home's exterior with our window trim installation and window screen installation services. Our bow window trim installation Knoxville and bow window screen installation Knoxville add both beauty and practicality. Protect your investment with window weatherproofing and window caulking services, designed for Knoxville's climate. Installing bow windows Knoxville creates an elegant, weather-resistant finish. Considering a home window upgrade? Our residential window services Knoxville cover everything from seal replacement to energy-saving installations. Our bow window seal replacement Knoxville ensures airtight performance, while insulation services maximize efficiency. Discover the benefits of our affordable replacement options featuring bow windows Knoxville that blend luxury with value. For a seamless experience, our window contractor services in Knoxville provide expert guidance and professional care. From bow window hardware replacement Knoxville to bow window maintenance Knoxville, we handle every aspect of your project. Trust our bow window contractor Knoxville for reliable, precision installation. Invest in bow windows Knoxville for enduring performance and beauty. Explore our vinyl window options and custom window designs to find the perfect fit for your home. Our window design consultation Knoxville helps you navigate styles, ensuring a result that enhances your property's appeal. With our window installation warranty, you can be confident in lasting quality. Choose bow windows Knoxville to complete your home's transformation with sophistication.